Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. We have like a different kind of video today. We are doing a little home reno update, and I'm sorry if this camera's really shaking. I feel like the stabilization has like gone. Any case, we're a little bit like tight for space today because this is what it looks like behind us. So we usually live in the room that's behind us, but we've had to move everything out into here so that I can clear this room. So I'm going to go through it. Right. So basically here we have the old sofa, right? That's just going to the tip. This has been with me for literally like 9 years, honestly, so it needs to go. Right, so the sofa's going. A little update over here is we have the log burner. I'm sorry it's so dark. It's also the darkest day known to man. And obviously we've got our windows covered up. So these are also new bay windows, which that's not very exciting right now. Need rid of this treadmill. Don't know how, but it needs to go. I'm not sure I updated YouTube, but we did have part of the ceiling fall down. So I'll insert Instagram clips that I've got.
How does that happen?
Remember I brought the lamps down here so they didn't get dust. I'll insert that at the side. So we were up the stairs. Luckily, the ceiling came down. No one was hurt. So, and then these two rooms here is what I'm working on today. I'm going to sit you down so I can do a quick explanation. Right, so this is the living room that we've never used in 4 years since we moved in here. This room right here, which is an absolute mess, I'm going to take you in and show you that, is a wee spare room, like a wee spare bedroom in this house. And then this door here is the kitchen, which I need to pack up tomorrow. So basically, let me see. I tried to go a bit further back. So basically, this door's getting blocked up. This door's getting widened. This wall is coming down. And then this is going to be a big kitchen dining area with a bigger door going in. So it'll be open, and then we're going to have the barn style doors that we've got upstairs in the bathroom. So it'll be like that. So this is stripped and we're ready. We are moving out, and we're moving out at the end of this week. Don't stress me. And this is currently the absolute circus that is our kitchen. We've had to pile, like these are what obviously we're putting the kitchen, packing up the kitchen in. This is rubbish that needs to go out, to be fair. It's just a mess, it's just a mess, it's just a mess. So we'll deal with that later. And then the wee room, I'm just going to get it washing out of here and organised. So this is the wee room that we have been living in. Ignore outside. 1 is pouring, 2 is just a mess. So I don't know if I ever showed you, but like people might remember me stripping the carpet of in here. The sofa was over there. This, I really love this, to be fair, and I think if we were anywhere else, we would have kept that and upcycled it, but we're just thinking it's easier just to remove it, so that's coming away. And then this is where we used to just sit and watch the TV with these ugly floorboards, which is why we've got like all ugly slippers and stuff, because everything gets dirty. Weather is like minging today. So let's get organised. This wall's coming down, so I don't need to strip it, but we need to do the rest. So I've got the wallpaper steamer and the scraper. My wrists and hands are so sore because we're moving furniture around, so like I lifted a set of drawers up the stairs, stuff. Anyway, right, filling up this, we'll let it, I think there's water in it already, so, and then we'll let it boil. It's super easy to take wallpaper down. I actually find it really therapeutic. These are the days I look forward to, and I'm quite sad that this is the end. We have said that we will get another project on the go when this one's finished and we've recouped our money. Right, so I'm going to switch on the power, and that should start boiling. Woo! Wow, this is not wanting to come off. It feels like cardboard when I'm trying to scrape it, but I don't know, I think this is a different material. I'm going to come back to that because that's taking me too long. I'm coming back to that. But we've only done that corner. I actually can't believe I've only done this corner. I want to do this whole wall and stop for breakfast, but I think I'm just going to stop for breakfast now. It's like 12:30 or something. I've literally nowhere to sit. I need to locate my camping chairs. I don't know what I've done with them. Anyway, I've got like a fake pot of oats. I don't know what the actual brand is, but these ones are Aldi and they look a bit mushy. I put milk in it just as well. This is a doer-upper. I put milk in, banana, and a little bit, like a wee square of chocolate. This is all I can have today because we've no bread. We're not buying too many messages. Messages is a Scottish thing, I think. They say like shopping, food groceries. Because we're empty in the kitchen, so obviously we're empty in the fridge freezer, so we're trying to get through everything. How boring is this to watch? It's honestly just not even got daylight today. I am actually using lights. So, this wall is done. Took me so long. That was horrendous. So, I've done along to that. And then I'm just going to do this wee wall here. And I'm thinking I need to do above the window. Because this window's turning into a door. So, I don't need to do the bottom. But I think I need to do the top. So... and that wall behind you is coming down, so I don't need to do it. So you should see the mess down here. Not cool, not cool, not cool. Oh my. Hopefully you see me all right. I know you can hear me all right because I got my DJI mics on. So can you see this? This mess that is on the ground, that is what we are dealing with right now. So we discovered the last time the easiest way to get rid of these is to kind of flatten them. So like to fold them and tear them into like the flattest bits. Because I think I've already done about 8 black bags, white bags to the tip. See, like that's too bulky, but I'm going to... Right, I'm just going to time lapse this. Sorry, guys. Hey, it's been a couple of days since I last checked in and I'm currently standing in one empty room. I thought I'd give you a last week update before we move. So this is Sunday the 1st of February. Tomorrow, Monday the 2nd of February, all the builders move in and rip this place apart. So this is our last evening here. As you can tell, there is no heating. The boiler has been broken for 2 years. Don't know if I said that. And we just live in one room at a time. We don't live down here. Really, we only cook dinner. So up the stairs, there's a little radiator, plug in one, and we just basically live up there and come down here to cook. We did sometimes watch telly here, so have a wee heat in here just now and again. But anyway, this is where we are. This is how it's looking. I'm going to come away from the camera and show you this room nice and empty and tell you like the plans exactly of how it'll look the next time you see it. This section right here with the door coming in will not be just a single door. It'll be open all the way around, but on the other side we're going to have sliding doors, so that we've got that privacy from the living room to the kitchen dining, but also at the same time we can keep it open if we want to keep it open. Ian would rather keep it open, I'd rather keep it closed, so we kind of came to a compromise where we can do either or. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Kitchen, I feel like I should really have took these off already, and it does look like they're still, like, it's still lived in, but it's honestly not. We've not used this for the past 3 days. I've basically cooked at my mum's, came back and just bunged things in the microwave. This pantry has been our absolute diamond since we moved in here, because we've been able to keep so much in it without having a cooker. We've had lots and lots of appliances. Everywhere's empty. Everywhere is completely empty. It's such a weird situation, honestly, because we're still living here. So I actually have one last glass in here that I need to take up the stairs because I didn't want to get it smashed. So I might actually do that right now. And we're finally finished making this room empty. It has been a task, I tell you. I'm sorry for the light. It's really, really poor. If I come a bit closer, it's a bit better. But this is us all empty. Now you can see our little fireplace on how it's like actually going to look when it's finished. So yeah, last room. And thank you so much for watching. Sorry this outro is literally in the dark. Let me see if I can get some. So thank you so much for watching. I know it was a little bit boring. I'm going to try and do some updates, like come back and forward from my folks, see what the happy happening is, and wish us luck. We're a wee bit nervous. I'll tell you all about like the plans, what we bought and everything, and that's why we're nervous and how we went about it. And if you want to know like budget, how much everything cost, yada yada, how we got to this point with all the like building warrants and whatnot. So yes, that is us. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.